Firefighters face higher cancer risk, study finds.
Liposuction overtakes breast augmentation as most popular cosmetic surgery.
Brain checkup tool aims to cut dementia risk.
Lionel Messi joins campaign to help blind Ethiopians.
Drivers save woman from burning car on motorway as they drag her from wreckage.
Illegal vapes are biggest threat on UK high streets, say trading standards.
Man survives on ketchup for weeks at sea.
Dentists warn of permanent damage from clear braces ordered online.
Firefighters face higher cancer risk, study finds. According to research, firefighters are more likely than the general population to pass away from cancer, heart attacks, and strokes. A study of Scottish emergency service staff said their cancer mortality rate was 1.6 times higher than that of the general population. The study revealed that firefighters have a 5-fold increased risk of dying from a heart attack, and a nearly 3-fold increased risk of dying from a stroke. The researchers said exposure to toxic substances was probably to blame. Staff safety, according to the Scottish Fire and Rescue Service, is paramount.
Liposuction overtakes breast augmentation as most popular cosmetic surgery. According to recently released data from the International Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgery, ISAPS, liposuction has surpassed breast augmentation as the most popular cosmetic surgery procedure worldwide amid growing concern over the potential cancer risks associated with the implants. The proportion of cosmetic surgeries performed that involved suction to remove extra fat was 14.8% for contouring, compared to just over 13% for breast augmentation. A global upsurge in aesthetic medicine, which saw over 30 million surgical and non-surgical procedures performed in 2021, an increase of 19.3% from the year before, includes changing trends. The information, which was released on the 10th of January 2023 as part of ISAP's most recent annual survey, suggests that the cosmetic surgery market has expanded significantly beyond pre-pandemic levels in addition to recovering from 2 years of decline brought on by the COVID virus.
Brain checkup tool aims to cut dementia risk. People of all ages are being urged to take better care of their brains to try to lower their risk of developing dementia. Alzheimer's Research UK has developed a new tool that tests your brain health and offers advice on how to keep your mind sharp, stay active, and socialize. Getting regular hearing checks in your 40s and 50s is one way to prevent social isolation, it says. However, since most cases of dementia cannot be prevented, earlier detection and more effective treatments remain essential. According to research, there are 12 dementia risk factors that, if addressed, could prevent 4 out of 10 people from experiencing memory loss, confusion, and communication issues. Advice based on these risk factors includes quitting smoking, engaging in regular exercise, consuming less alcohol, and challenging your brain, and it is never too early or too late to start engaging in these activities. The Brain Check, which was developed based on the most recent research, is available to anyone who wants to learn how to reduce their personal risk of dementia.
Lionel Messi joins campaign to help blind Ethiopians. Football star Lionel Messi has joined a cause to aid Ethiopians who are blind. The World Cup winning captain of Argentina wrote on social media that it was an honor to work with the manufacturer of assistive technology, OrCam, to provide Ethiopians with visual aids. One study estimates that 1.18% of Ethiopia's population is blind, making vision impairment one of the country's major public health concerns. OrCam claims that their technology for visual aids enhances the lives of individuals who are blind, visually impaired, and have reading difficulties. Last year, 2,000 people, mostly students and government employees, received the cutting-edge visual aid tool from Ethiopia's First Lady's office thanks to donations. According to the office, blind people can now read texts in both English and Amharic, which is the nation's official language. Visually impaired people can read and recognize colors thanks to artificial intelligence technology that is attached to eyeglass frames and reads out loud to the user. According to Time magazine, this technology is among the biggest innovations of 2019. However, The Orcam My Eyeglass is pricey and out of reach for many people, with a single unit costing over $4,000.
Drivers save woman from burning car on motorway as they drag her from wreckage. Heroic motorists on a highway stopped and assisted a woman in getting out of the burning vehicle she was driving. Susan Denise is seen in a footage rolling on the asphalt after being dragged out of her burning car on Long Island, New York, in the US, on Monday, January 16th. Traffic is backed up as 6 people are seen carrying Denise and others are dousing the fire with water. According to the Suffolk County Police Department, the car struck the central reservation, overturned, and caught fire. On the highway, several witnesses stopped and acted quickly to aid Denise. Denise, who was allegedly being burned by the flames, was dragged from the driver's seat as the group flipped her car onto its 4 wheels. She received first aid on the spot before being flown in critical condition to Stony Brook University Hospital by police helicopter.
Illegal vapes are biggest threat on UK high streets, say Trading Standards. According to Trading Standards officials, the biggest threats to the UK's high streets are stores that sell illegal vapes and sell vaping products to children. Hundreds of thousands of vapes that violate the law have been seized. Furthermore, there are worries that 12 and 13-year-olds are obtaining cheap, colourful vapes. The government claimed it was thinking of additional ways to safeguard kids from e-cigarettes. Experts in child health expressed that the growing number of kids and teens using e-cigarettes had them deeply disturbed. They continued, saying it was terrifying to learn that these products might also be illegal and unregulated. The amount of nicotine and e-liquid that can be found in vapes is limited by UK law, and certain health warnings must be included on the packaging. Vapes and e-cigarettes have been a popular method for many people to stop smoking in recent years. However, despite the fact that the law only allows for about 600 puffs per vape, some stores sell vapes with 12,000 puffs. Others have levels of nicotine that are illegally high.
Man survives on ketchup for weeks at sea. A man who was lost for 24 days in the Caribbean Sea claims that he only consumed ketchup to stay alive. The word "help" was inscribed on the sailboat's hull, which led a plane to spot Elvis Francois, 47, 120 nautical miles northwest of Colombia's Puerto Bolívar, according to a statement released by the Colombian Navy on Thursday, the 19th of January 2023. I had no food. It was just a bottle of ketchup that was on the boat, garlic powder and Maggi stock cubes, so I mixed it up with some water, Francois said in a video provided by the Colombian Army. Francois, a resident of the Caribbean island of Dominica, claimed that in December 2022, bad weather caused his boat to drift out to sea as he was performing maintenance on it close to the Dutch portion of the island of St. Martin. He claimed he lacked navigational skills and was unable to steer his boat back to land, getting lost at sea for weeks. 24 days, no land, nobody to talk to. Don't know what to do, don't know where you are. It was rough, he said. At a certain time, I lose hope. I think about my family. After being saved, he was taken to the port city of Cartagena, where he received medical attention before being turned over to immigration officials to travel home, according to Colombian officials.
Dentists warn of permanent damage from clear braces ordered online. Dentists have told the BBC that people who wear clear braces, or aligners, that they purchased online have suffered damage as a result of the demand for Instagram smiles. One man claimed that wearing aligners caused his front teeth to become too weak to bite into an apple. The largest company selling clear aligners online, Smile Direct Club, claims they straighten teeth more quickly and affordably than traditional braces. According to the company, the majority of users have had success with its aligners. However, some orthodontists and dentists think that people who use so-called remote dentistry are ignorant of the harm that aligners can do if they are not fitted by a dentist in person. Jamie, a father from Glasgow, sought the help of Smile Direct Club, SDC, after receiving an estimate of £4,000 to £6,000 for teeth straightening. Without having to visit a dentist in person, the US-based remote orthodontic provider offered clear aligners for about £1,800. According to SDC, its platform has enabled successful treatment for more than 1.8 million people and has improved access to dental care. The vast majority of users have reported having excellent experiences. For your daily global health news, visit www.StayWellWorld.org. Please do well to subscribe, like, share and comment. If you've already subscribed, turn on the notification icon so you don't miss any update. Thank you for watching.